Right, this is a quick video to show how to create a line plot, also called a dot plot chart in Google Sheets. Now, the dot plot or the line plot is not a common presentation of data any longer. So both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, they don't provide a default option for it, but you can get what you need with a bit of trickery to get a dot plot. So I'll show you how to do that now. So I've just got a very simple table here of a set of sales numbers for different car makes for 1 month for a garage, for example. Right, so what I'd like to do is turn that into a dot plot. So if I plot it just straight like that, you're going to get something that looks like this, which isn't a full dot plot. It's showing you the biggest number, number 3 in the case of the BMW, for that one. So that isn't going to get you where you need to be. So what you need to do is plot more data in order to do so. So this is how you do it. So take that column, just take a copy of it and move it over here. Put the other sales column here, and then what for each of these 4 values you want to create a sequence of numbers that go all the way from 1 to 3, 1 to 9, 1 to 12, 1 to 14, and so on. So there's a command within Google Sheets that you can use for that. You can say sequence 1, and then enter the number you want to do it. So you want to sequence a set of numbers going up in units of 1, and that's the amount you want to do. So what I got then was a 1, 2, 3, and I want the same now for Ford and the others. So in order to do that, I can select that first one, which is the formula for which is here. So I can select that one and drag it down across those 3 and click Control D on my keyboard to fill down. And now I have a sequence for each of those 4 numbers going across here like this. So then I need to take all of that data then and select it, just move across to the end of it. And then I will plot my graph with that information. So insert chart. Now, what you'll get as a default isn't what we want to have, so I need to change that. So I want to modify that then now to change it from column chart to a scatter plot. So now you can see I'm getting closer to a dot plot. Other things I might want to do is if I go back to customize here, remove the legend here on the right hand side. It's not useful for this presentation. So now again, it's looking closer to a dot plot. I'll want to give it a title, November 21 car sales. I'll want to give it a horizontal axis, so car make. I'll want to give it a vertical axis, number sold, something like that. And last thing maybe that I would do to get it more like a dot plot is I would change the series. So what I'd like to do is change it to an X, which is what you see in our book regarding the line plots. They use an X to represent it, and maybe make that a bit bigger. The other thing that I could do is, because there is no significance to the different colors here, is I could make them all different, the same color. Now, unfortunately, this is a weakness in Google Sheets currently. In order to do that, I'd have to select each of the data points individually and recolor them like that, right? I'm not going to do that in this video, but that's what you would have to do if you wanted to get them all the same color, black down here at the bottom, as I've just done for 3 of them. But that's how you do it to get it all consistent. So that's a very simple line plot or dot plot represented in Google Sheets. Thank you.